Hello friends, so our grammar tutorials now we have reached this point. What is that point? The past continuous or progressive tense. Now as usual we are proceed according to our step by step. That is, first we see, we always start with the tense, the name of the tense. It's very important because otherwise how to distinguish these things? The name here is past continuous or progressive, means that the aspect here is how the speaker looks at the action. It continues. When? Sometime in the past. Past means prior to speaking. Before you were speaking, prior to speaking. That is past means. Alright. So we come, you remember we have got present, then yesterday, today is present, yesterday is past, tomorrow is future. That way we can keep or remember this without any difficulty. You can remember it very easily. Past means yesterday and present means today means present and future is tomorrow. So today, yesterday, tomorrow. So this is an action that continues, you can see, sometime in the past, prior to our speaking. So form. First is form. Form is to be plus present participle. Present participle. Present participle means ing. ing form of the verb. To be past. So past forms either was or were. That is past form. And you can see example is eat, was eating, were eating, were plural, were eating. Drink, was drinking, were drinking. Isn't it? And like that, yeah, was running, were running, was jumping, were jumping, was sleeping, were sleeping, was singing, were singing, was traveling, were traveling, was looking, were looking. So that is, listen, to be here means past form because this is the past. Present forms you know, is or not. Okay, that you used for present continuous. Now this is past continuous. Now after this, what we do is, what is our second step? Our second step is distribution. Where can we distribute? We have only 6 places. You remember those 6 places? First person singular, second person singular, third person singular. He, she, it. Or you have got all the things created in the world. That is, you have got trees, fish, tiger, lion, rod, bus, car, sky, isn't it? Then satellite, board, camera, light, wall, window, door, boy, girl, boys, girls, men, women, coat, pillow, blanket, everything is third person. Chair, bench, all third person. I think you got that idea already. We have already done that when we were discussing the present continuous tense. Please go through those lectures if you have got any doubt. But I say the definition is all those things which are not I and you. Minus I, you. And also we. We means that is plural of I. Minus I, we, you. Everything in the world are third person singular. It can be singular or plural. Understand? Third person singular. If it is one, singular. Tree, third person singular. Trees, third person plural. Boy, third person singular. Boys, third person plural. Like that. So we have the. Then we have what we, you, and they. They stand for all the third person plurals. So boys, boys, girls, men, women, trees, flowers. So here we have got the third person singular. You have got a boy, girl, then you have got a man, woman, tree, flower, train, bus. All these are third person. So here you can see I was, you were, he, she, it was, we were, you were, they were. That's all. Now plus ing. I was eating. You were eating. He, she, it was eating. And we were eating. You were eating. They were eating. Boys were eating. Girls were eating. Men were eating. Women were eating. Trees were standing. Trees cannot be. And then flowers were fluttering in the wind. Fluttering is moving gently in the breeze. Understand? So there you go. Very simple as that. So first is you try to try to keep or internalize this. Make it yours. What? The form. How to make the form? Past forms of to be plus present participle. Or expanding, you can say was or were plus ing form of the verb. That is, he was standing, she was singing, they were dancing, he was looking, and they were playing, and things like that. Understand? Now, and then second point is distribution. You can distribute only you can distribute tenses only in 6 baskets. That is 6 slots. And these slots we know 3 singular and 3 plural. This is singular first person, singular second person, singular third person. Plural first person, plural second person, plural third person. Plural means more than one. Understand? If you have got a friend, it is singular. Friends is plural. These things are known to you. So for tomorrow, what you should do is you take some 10 verbs and then distribute them. First you form the tense and then distribute them in 6 different places. Understand? 10 verbs you take. That is 10 into 6 is 60. Plus you can go on adding. So third person, boys, girls, men, monkeys, and so on. Teachers, doctors, lawyers, ministers, whom else you want. Clerks, managers, superintendents, policemen, priests. Priests were saying mass. Yes. The policemen were patrolling or keeping watch. Doctors were examining the patients. Teachers were teaching the students. See that, like that. Go on multiplying like this. What we say is these 6 slots, together you can say it is a sentence generating machine, engine, search engine, Google and so on, Yahoo. So this is a sentence producing engine. You can put anything here and it will multiply. So for example, I was eating, I was drinking, I was looking, I was reading, I was jumping, I was running, I was sleeping, I was going, I was studying, I was reading, I was thinking, I was laughing, I was sleeping, I was sitting, I was standing, I was walking, I was... How many sentences we can make? Like that. You were eating, you were drinking, you were sleeping, you were going, you were... That's what I said. These 6 lords, this is a sentence producing engine, like search engine. You have got I, we, you, he, she, it, and they. So this is, you can produce millions of sentences. But as you know, these millions of sentences are variations of these 6 basic forms. That's why in the beginning of this class I told you there are only 6 sentences in English. Just as easy if you say like that. See, you have got numbers now. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So this is the base from where you have got all the other numbers. You put them in different order, then you get a innumerable structures, small structures like this. Say hundreds, thousands, 10,000s, lakhs, millions, crores, billions, and so on. Exactly like this. This is the base. And this is in English, in almost all human languages, this is the base. You can see, your mother tongue you can take and see. There is an engine like this. If you have got that idea in your mind, then the entire language can be put in your pockets. Then what else is next? Distribution, negative, yes or no question, W is question, passive. That's all. Understand? Like, you just go through the previous lectures, you will understand. The same method we will follow in this also. Okay? So for the time being, you do this exercise tomorrow, or you practice this, take half a dozen verbs and then write the forms of the present continuous, past continuous, and distribute them. It will be hundreds of sentences. If you do this, what happens is that you will not, even without your being conscious of it, you will become masters of English. Bye. Have a nice day.